Ukrainian forces have showcased the innovative use of a shotgun-armed drone, effectively neutralizing multiple Russian drones. This anti-drone quadcopter operates by approaching its target at close range and firing from two shotgun barrels mounted beneath the frame. Each drone is equipped with only 2 shots, enabling it to eliminate up to 2 enemy drones per mission, which is a considerable advantage in drone warfare. If the first shot misses, the operator has a backup round for a second attempt. The drone's rotatable camera allows the operator to confirm each kill visually. Its primary targets include Russian quadcopters used for munitions delivery and surveillance. In one notable instance, the drone was even directed to engage a soldier on the ground. Using the fixed barrels, the operator skillfully aimed downward and fired at the moving target. While the soldier managed to escape and the accuracy at such an angle is limited, there is a possibility the soldier sustained injuries. This shotgun drone has proven to be an effective tool in gaining air superiority, providing Ukrainian forces with a tactical edge in counter-drone operations.